How to use eBay Motors for car parts. When to use eBay Motors for car parts, you wanna first use the garage tool. You can add your vehicle to My Garage on eBay Motors to automatically filter parts that fit your specific vehicle. And the other way is you can head into eBay and you can proceed to search, right? So on search, you can select eBay Motors, and once you do so, it should give you the option to search. Now you can tap on filters here, and then you wanna search it. You wanna add the filters, buying format. You wanna set the condition here, new, used. Then you wanna set your price. So if not, you can select new and then select the transmission here, automatic, manual or not specified. Then select the make of it, whether it is Land Rover, Lotus, Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, Porsche, Volkswagen and such. So I'll select MG here for now. And then you want to select the vehicle mileage, less than this, and then you can select it more. You can see model year, interior color, exterior color, and then you can proceed to look for it. So this way you can use eBay Motors. Now if you want to use it for car parts, you can search for it as particular car parts there and then filter it. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.